Hi, welcome to DY India Tech. So today we are look Kubernetes certificate management and also check how to renew your existing certificate. Before that, if you are in my channel, so please subscribe my channel and hit the bell button to get a valuable content. So let me explain. Certificate management with Kubernetes. So by default, the Kubernetes certificate is valid for 1 year. If you don't want to expire your certificate to maintain, so within a 1 year, you have to update your clusters. So no need to require to renew your SSL certificate because once you upgrade your cluster, the certificate also get renewed. If in case of your cluster certificate is get expired, so you can do manually. Certificate expiry and management note. Kubernetes cannot manage certificate signed by external CA. So the cluster certificate is generated by Kubernetes itself. To check whether your cluster certificate expired or not, you can use the check expirations subcommand to check when certificate is expired. Command is kubadm search check hyphen expirations. So you will see the similar output. As you see, there is multiple certificate expiry date is there. As you see, there is a similar output is come. First is admin con API servers, API etcd client, API kubelet client, controller manages conf, etcd health check client, etcd pair, etcd servers, front proxy client, scheduler conf. If you see the all this certificate date is a common. So once you run this command kubadm cert check hyphen expirations, you will get to know whether your certificate is expired or not. If your certificate is get expired, so first of all, you have to take the backups of your existing configurations. So first of all, you have to take a backups of etcd Kubernetes directories. The command is to take a backup cp/etc Kubernetes, and then you have to give a backup locations. If you have common NFS, you can take a backup on NFS. Otherwise, you can take on the same servers. So in the simple, if you are taking any backups, make sure the backup maybe properly is done. Once you take a backups with the command of cp-vr/etc Kubernetes, and the backup location is, let's suppose, OPT, so you have to put /opt. Once you run that command, you have to cross-check your backup locations whether the backup is done or not. If the backup is done, you have to run this command adm cert renewal on your control plane node. It means your master servers. Once you run that command, you will see your certificate will renew. How you will make sure that your certificate is get renewed? Again, you have to run this same command that you check earlier, adm cert check expirations. You will get that updated date in all the certificate which is already expired. Once you done that, your certificate is renewed, then you have to try to log in. To log in that, you have to copy your admin config, your root directories under .kube, name kubeconfig, and then you have to make appropriate permissions on that files. Once you do this, you are able to log in your cluster. Once you log in your cluster, and if you see if any CSR is pending, then you have to check. If any CSR is pending, you have to run a command kubectl get CSR. Then you will see some of the CSR is pending state. It is like this. So after that, you have to run the command kubectl certificate approve and CSR number. CSR name. Once you run this, your cluster will accept and approve this certificate which is pending state. Once you've done this, you have to try to access your clusters smoothly. If you like this content, so please subscribe my channel and hit the bell button. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet in next video.